spicy one. Burn your bum. Oh my goodness. Okay. Before I go into panic mode, let's try it. It hits you. It is really spicy. What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a super amazing day today, guys. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I received a box from the bro Mark Ford, all the way from Canada, guys. If you guys have not seen my previous video where I tried one of the hot sauce he sent, go ahead and check that out. Unfortunately, 2 of those hot sauces came broken, guys. Like, oh, I know, so sad, right? I'm telling you guys, United States Postal Service this time of year, yeah, with all these holidays, things are bound to end up broken or something. But my hot sauces, oh, so sad. But I was able to try one of his hot sauces, which was so freaking bomb. It was almost like an elevated sriracha, like not super spicy, perfect for like eggs in the morning, like, oh, breakfast burritos. Oh my goodness, I have been trying it on everything. It's super addictive. But this time, guys, oh my goodness, I didn't open the box yet because it looks like it's in perfect condition. As you guys can see, guys, it says like fragile everywhere, and like I said in the other video, he really packaged this stuff great, so I have no idea how they ended up breaking, which is like so sad. But this time he sent me one that, guys, I'm a little scared. It's gonna be diabolical. He said it has like Carolina Reapers, ghost peppers, oh my goodness, like some of the spiciest peppers, you know. And guys, don't mind my voice. Guys, I have been pickling like crazy. Everything that I harvested, which you guys will have the opportunity to try those pickled peppers, some of the spiciest in the world, on my website, Pepper Envy LLC. But for right now, guys, I keep swinging the knife around, so let me stop doing that. Let me open this box and let's try these hot sauces, ¿verdad? Oh my goodness, so excited to try it. Like, I was so bummed out. Like, they smell delicious in the box, and that's why I still haven't even thrown the box away. Can you guys believe that? It's just sometimes with the United States Postal Service, like, they'll send a letter if there was like a claim or something, and I want to make sure that I have the stuff so that you guys can do your guys' claim right. So 2 hot sauces, guys, and you guys look at this. Look at this, very, very well packaged hot sauces. Okay, there's 2, and one's gonna be less spicier than the other. So let me open it up so I can try the one that's less spicier first. Because if not, what if my taste buds burn, guys? What if I burn my taste buds and then I can't like tell you guys what it has in it or anything? Ooh, okay, here's the first hot sauce. Oh, this one's a spicy one. Burn your bum, guys. Oh my goodness. Whew, we'll try that one last. Let me go ahead and open this one. Like I said, guys, really, really well packaged. And all the way from Canada. Can you guys believe that? That's freaking awesome. Oh, okay. Ooh, peach mango. Even the color on it is beautiful. All right, let me put my knife down and let's open one of these up. The peach mango, Addictive pepper sauce peach mango. You'll finish it in days. And the other one, guys, I'm telling you guys, I've been trying to hide it in my fridge, putting it in the back of stuff because I don't want to finish it. It's so freaking delicious. Okay, vamos a abrir esta. I already gave it a good little shake. Oh. You smell like a sweetness up here. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, it's gonna be so good, I bet. Peach and mangoes. I wonder if there's gonna be one that enhances the other one, or if I'm gonna be able to taste both of them. Consistency, guys, super amazing. Has a beautiful sweetness. It has some heat in there. And I know this one has like Scotch bonnets, lemon drops, red hot cherries. I'll put everything on the description on Instagram, so that you guys should be following me on Instagram so you guys can see that. It has some spice to it, but it has a beautiful sweetness. Like the peach and the mango, they work well together. You can honestly taste those notes in there. A bit of citrusy in here, which is delicious. Honestly, you get the peaches at first, and then the mango just like boom, it like bursts out of like nowhere, and then you get a light citrusy note towards the end, and then the heat, it just kicks in, almost like if it had like a ghost pepper in there or something, because it is tingling in the back of my throat. Like my voice, I can't get over my voice, like se me fue. It's just all that coughing that I've been doing, like even de-seeding the peppers, like oh, super, super spicy peppers, guys. Which you guys will have access to seeds on my website también. All right, guys, let's go ahead and shake this burn your bum one up. It has no ingredients on there, but like I said, I will be posting the ingredients on Instagram so that you guys can check that out. Addictive pepper sauce, burn your bum. That's all it says. But guys, this is gonna be diabolical. Like if I thought the other one was spicy, imagínate esta, like with Carolina Reapers, ghost peppers. And it says burn your bum, guys. You automatically know it's gonna be spicy, you know what I mean? I don't even want to smell it, guys. What if it smells like fire? Oh my goodness. Okay. Before I go into panic mode, let's try it, guys. Ooh, consistency. Very, very nice, smooth consistency. Not as thick as the previous two that I have tried. So let's go ahead and try this one. Wow. Goodness gracious, it hits you. It is really spicy. But at first, guys, I taste cucumber. I taste cucumber almost like if it was a pico de gallo. You know how you tasted, I don't know if you guys know what pico de gallo is. It's like a cucumber salad in the summertime and you add chiles to it with some garlic, some pepper, some sal. So delicious. It's like that, but a million times spicier. The heat is right in the back of my throat right now. Ooh, it is hot. This one's hot. But definitely tastes delicious. The addition of cucumber, like I know it's cucumber right off the bat. And I get hints of garlic, so I know there's garlic in here. So good. Definitely will have you burning the, oh, you know what? I just want to make some pico de gallo and add some to it. You know how delicious that would be? Like I have some cucumber in the fridge. Oh, that would be delicious. So good. So good. And you know what's awesome about this sauce? That you get to experience all these flavors before that heat kicks in. Oh my goodness, it is hot. Definitely hot with those Carolina Reapers. Like how many you add in there, bro? Ooh, it is fire. But definitely an addictive sauce, guys. Really, really delicious. Thanks a million, bro, for sending them to me. You are so freaking awesome. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are the freaking best. Have a great day. Bye.